There's no such thing as a bad question, right? We've all heard that before, and when it comes to a home renovation project, the more questions you ask, the better your chances of being prepared when going into a big project. In this video, we will answer Southwest Exterior's most frequently asked questions about door replacements so you can be best prepared for replacing any doors in your home. I'm Chris and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Whether you're getting your front side or sliding patio door replaced, you probably have a list of questions you're itching to get answered. So I got with the pros at Southwest Exteriors and compiled the top 10 most asked questions they receive about a door replacement. Some questions are about general door replacements and some specific to Southwest Exteriors products and services, but they're still great questions to ask any contractor you might have coming to replace your doors. Before we get started, if you want more great content like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can be informed and ready for your next home renovation project. So let's start with number one. How much does a door replacement cost? The cost to replace a door can range anywhere from $300 to $5,000. There are many factors that influence that cost, such as the type of the door, size of the door, construction of the door, installation, and any customizations. Like any home improvement project, what you get is what you pay for. If you want a high quality door installation, it's going to cost you more. It's important to consider your goals and needs for your project to determine what you are looking to spend for a door replacement. Number two, why are high quality doors so expensive? No matter what material the door is made of or the style of the door, a high quality door is not going to be the least expensive option. While a lower quality door may save you money at the moment, it is more likely going to cost you more in the long run with functionality issues, repairs, and another replacement in the future. Number three, what door is best for me? Determining what type of door is best for you depends on your preferences, goals, and budget. The most common types of doors are vinyl, fiberglass, wood, steel, aluminum, iron, and glass. Each has its own unique qualities to fit whatever your needs may be. You want to consider the quality of each type of the door, aesthetic value, and customizations available when choosing the best door. Number four, can you replace just the slab? The slab is the part of the door that swings open and closed. This can be replaced but is not recommended. If you just replace the slab in the door frame, it is likely it will not fit or function properly. This is why the entire system of the door should be replaced for your door to function properly and last. With Southwest Exteriors, we replace the entire door system. Number five, what should be included with my door installation? The door replacement installation includes much more than just a swinging door. All of the jambs, hardware, interior and exterior trim, threshold, and the slab should be included in a quality installation, as well as painting and staining. Number six, how long does it take to install a door? It typically takes around 4 hours to install a replacement door. This time is dependent on the size of the door, however. The larger the project size and the more complex the project, the longer it's going to take. Number seven, can Southwest Exteriors repair my existing door? Doors can be repaired, but we do not do repairs at Southwest Exteriors. If we previously did a door replacement for you, adjustments to the door are covered under the lifetime warranty. So if the hinges of the door are seeming loose or it is not opening or closing properly, we will come and adjust it to fit. The reason we do not do door repairs is that it is like putting a temporary bandage on the door. It is the best practice to replace the entire system of the door if any part is badly damaged. Number eight, what is the maximum door size Southwest Exteriors can do? With Southwest Exteriors, we can install an entry door as wide as 42 inches and as tall as 10 feet. For sliding doors, we can install a door from 5 feet to 20 feet long and up to 10 feet tall. Number nine, what kind of doors do Southwest Exteriors offer? At Southwest Exteriors, we offer fiberglass, steel, and wood hinge swinging doors, as well as vinyl and fiberglass sliding doors from Provia, Sunrise, Therma-Tru, and Marvin. We offer these types of doors because we believe them to be the best option for San Antonio homes. They are high-quality doors paired with a high-quality installation made to last in your home for a lifetime. Number 10, can I get blinds with my doors? At Southwest Exteriors, we do offer the option to add blinds to the doors. The blinds go in between the panes of glass of the door to be operated with a sliding mechanism on the door. If blinds are something you know you want in your new door, it is important to check with each contractor you are considering to make sure they offer that. Well, there you have it, 10 of the most asked questions about a door replacement with Southwest Exteriors. So now hopefully you can use these questions to ensure any contractor will provide you with the right information for your project. Of course, there's a ton more information on these topics, so make sure you check out the Southwest Exteriors Learning Center for more in-depth dives into the door replacement process. Link is down below. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want to make sure you have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.